Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find YouTube Shorts trending music. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So all that you need to do is just to simply go to the YouTube mobile app and start creating your shorts. So here I'm just going here and go to add to start creating the shorts. I'm just going to click on start over, and basically when you will go to the step where you will need to add song, you will just click on add sound. And basically it will take you to the sound library. And here you will find two things. You will find recommended, which is or which are the recommended that are or the songs that are widely used. And as you can see, this one has 19 million shorts, and basically those are just recommended music that are widely used and uh, used many times. But if you want only the trending sounds, you will go to the top sounds. So from here, you will find only the trending sounds that are used very quickly or many times in a short period of time. And as you can see, even if it has only 2K shorts that are using this sound, you can see that it's already here in the top sounds since it is used widely. And you can also find the recommended that are very famous sound. And all you need to do now is just to click onto any sound that you want to use. For example, let's just click on this one. You click on this one and it will be added to the sound that will be used in your short. Now you can just start recording and you will have it added here, and you can also choose uh, any type of any part of this audio, and you can just click on done, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.